Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS to bring you guys a couple of more deals. So hopefully you enjoyed my video yesterday. Now there were a lot of issues yesterday at CVS, but so far everything has been resolved. I went to another store to print out my CRTs and everything worked with no issues at the red box coupon center. So everything should be back to normal and you're free to go out there and do some CVS deals with no issues. Now I'm using the CRTs that we usually look at and we usually bypass, and I'm bringing you this video every single week using those CRTs that we just never use and what deals we can squeeze out of them. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to show you clips from the store as well as the coupons that are needed, and yeah, let's see what CVS has in store for us. The first deal is going to be on the GSQ heat protectant priced at $7.99. You're going to use a $5 off GSQ hair care CRT as well as a $3 off GSQ hair care CRT. So the total works out to be free after both those CRTs. The next item we're going to grab is going to be on the Vaseline lotion 10 ounce. So you're going to pick up one of them for $4.79. You're going to use a $2 off one coupon from our 223 RMN as well as a $2 off Vaseline CRT. So after the coupon and after the CRT, the total works out to just 79 cents. Jergens lotion is on a promotion this week for buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up one of them for $7.59. Then you're going to pick up a second one half off at $3.79. You're going to use two of the dollar off coupons from our 3-1 Smart Source, a 5 off of 2 Jergens lotion CRT, as well as a $2 off Jergens lotion CRT. So the total works out to $2.38 after all coupons, or $1.19 each. The next deal is going to be on the Cetaphil wipes from the travel section for $3.49. So you're going to pick up two of them for $6.98. You're going to use a 5 off of 2 Cetaphil CRT, and it doesn't exclude travel size. So the total works out to $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is going to be on these Beauty 360 poofs from the travel section. So you're going to pick up three of them for $1.09 each, making them $3.27. You're going to use a $2 off 3 Beauty 360 poof CRT and a $1 off 2 Beauty 360 poof CRT. So the total works out to 27 cents or 9 cents each. The next item is going to be the L'Oreal Elvive Wonder Water. So you're going to pick up one of these for $9.99. You're going to use a $2 off one coupon from our 3-1 RMN, and I believe we have one on coupons.com. You're going to use a $2 off Wonder Water CRT. I had two of those and I used it with no issues, as well as a $2.25 off 10 hair care CRT. So the total works out to $1.74 after all coupons. The next deal is going to be on this small Skintimate Shave Gel for $2.39. You're going to use a $2 off Skintimate CRT, making the total just 39 cents. So the last deal is going to be on the Crest toothpaste. So they're on a promotion this week for buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. And this was a deal I actually wanted to do yesterday. But remember guys, digital coupons weren't working. So you're going to pick up 3 of them for $3.99 each, making them $11.97. You can use two $2 off one coupons from our March P&G, as well as a $2 off one digital coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. I'm using a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT for this, making the total $2.97, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So after the extra buck, it works out to be free plus a $2.03 moneymaker. Okay guys, so this is the first transaction. So I picked up the Crest at $3.99. And when you buy 3 this week, you get a $5 extra buck. I picked up the Jergens buy one, get one 50% off. So one of them was $7.59. Another one was $3.79. The Skintimate was $2.39. The Beauty 360 poofs were priced at $1.09 each. So I picked up 3 of them. Cetaphil wipes from the travel section were $3.49 each. I picked up 2 of them. The L'Oreal Elvive Wonder Water was $9.99. And I picked up the Vaseline lotion for $4.79. So the total before coupons is going to be $50.77. I used that $2 off Crest from the March P&G. Another $2 for the Crest in our March P&G. I had the $2 off Crest digital coupon, the $1 off Jergens. I used 2 of those from our 3-1 Smart Source. A $2 off for the Loreal in our 3-1 RMN, and that's for the Wonder Water. The $2 off for the Vaseline from our 223 RMN. I had a 5 off of 2 Jergens CRT, a 5 off of 2 Cetaphil CRT, a 3 off of 12 Oral Care CRT, a 225 off 10 Hair Care CRT, a $2 off Vaseline Lotion CRT, a $2 off Jergens Lotion CRT, a 2 for 3 up from the Body Proof CRT, a $2 off L'Oreal Wonder Water CRT. I had 2 of those. And then I had a $2 off Skin Tint CRT, a $1 off 2 for the Poofs CRT for the Beauty 360 Poofs, a 50-cent off Crest app only coupon, making the total $10.02. But you're going to use $10 in extra bucks. So the total works out to 2 cents and you get back $5 in extra bucks. And $26.16 is counting towards beauty in this transaction. So basically what counts towards beauty is going to be the Jergens lotion, the Vaseline lotion, and the L'Oreal Elvive Wonder Water. So now I'm going to show you guys my receipt. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS and everything turned out well in the first transaction and I totally messed up on the second transaction. So I picked up the Skin Tint for $2.39 and the GSQ product for $7.99. So I had a $5 off for the GSQ as well as a $3 off, and in that account I have another $3 off. So when she goes to show me the $3 off if I wanted to apply it, that was actually the one that I handed to her. So I was like, oh my God, no, don't use it, because I thought it was the other one. So it was $3 in extra bucks I had to give her, and I noticed at the end when I looked at my receipt, that was the $3 that I had to apply to the transaction. So it still turned out well. I used a $3 extra buck when I didn't have to. So if you guys have a 5 off of 3 and a $3 off, if you guys have a $5 off for GSQ and a $3 off, you can totally get that item for free because some of them are $7.99. So now I'm going to show you my first receipt and then my second receipt. Okay, so here's my first transaction here. I bought the Crest with toothpaste for $3.99, and when you buy 3 this week, you get a $5 register reward. There goes the Jergens lotion, buy one, get one 50% off. So one of them was $7.59, and the other one, $3.80 came off. There goes the Skin Tint for $2.39. There goes the Beauty 360 Poofs right there for $1.09 from the travel section. There goes the Cetaphil right there, and I'm thinking I got one of the items for free. Let me see. No, they don't have that promotion anymore. Okay, because last week they were buy 4 of the travel size items, you get 1 free. So I guess that's not going on this week. Okay, there goes that L'Oreal product for $9.99. And there goes the Vaseline for $4.79. Here goes manufacturer coupons right there. And I had a $2 off digital for the Crest because we going to use 2 of the paper coupons. So that applied with no issues there. There goes the 5 off of 2 Jergens, the 5 off of 2 Cetaphil, the 3 off of 12 Oral Care, $2.25 off 10 Hair Care, $2 off Vaseline Lotion, $2 off Jergens Lotion, that 2 off of 3 Beauty 360 for the Poofs, $2 off L'Oreal Wonder Water. I had 2 of those and they applied with no issues. That $2 off the Skin Tint, $1 off 2 for the Beauty Poofs, a 50-cent off for the Crest toothpaste. So I had that in my app only coupons. So I'm super excited that that applied. And I rolled $10 in extra bucks and got back a total of $5 in extra bucks. And I know I'll hit beauty with this. I know I hit beauty 3 times yesterday with this card. So now the beauty is actually showing up at $11.70. I hope everything that I bought yesterday does count towards beauty. So I'll definitely let you guys know tomorrow if I get the beauty buck. It's supposed to be $9 I'm supposed to get back from yesterday's transaction. And this one I'm sure I hit beauty. So now I'm going to show you guys my second receipt. Okay, so here goes the second receipt. This is on my second account. I bought the Schick Skin Tint for $2.39, the GSQ product for $7.99. I used that $5 off, and the $3 didn't apply. She did show me the register to show me that it'll apply, but I thought that was the other one I had on my card. So I did a mistake there. The $2 off the shaving cream, and $3 off extra buck. My subtotal was 38 cents. And I paid a total of 90 cents for this, and I didn't get back anything. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.